Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Facebook API key. Okay, so if you want to create a Facebook API key, just watch this video step by step. Let me walk you through exactly how to do just that. Okay, so I want you to also make sure that you watch this video till the end, so you're not going to make any single mistake. Right, so watch the video to the end. It's super important. The first thing we're going to do obviously is to understand something very important. All right, which is that Facebook does not really call it your single API key anymore. Okay, so it's usually things like app ID, app secret, access token, right? And this information is very important. You have to know that this is no longer what it is called, right? API key, right? So that being said, you should also know that it's all created inside of Meta for developers. Okay, Meta for developers, very important. So we need to go over to our app, our Meta for developers app. For that, you come to developers.facebook.com, right? It looks something like this. By the way, guys, if you don't know how to go over, like I said, just come here, open a browser and type in developers, right? Developers.facebook, right? .com. Super simple, right? And then it's going to open. And if you don't have an account, you just open an account. The verification is actually a very easy and simple process, as you honestly cannot miss it. Okay, so you just come here. There's supposed to be a get started button right here. um okay, yeah, it's usually supposed to be a get started button, but because I am already logged in, okay, so it's super simple. So once you're here, I believe that the next step is to come here and then successfully create a new app. Come here and create a new app. Okay, so we just click on it right there, and whilst it's creating, you'll see something like business, consumer, and gaming. Right, so you choose business because it's best for API as automation and scripting tools. Okay, so come here, click on create, and then yeah, we'll just put in our app name. Okay, so for this video I'm just going to put in something random. All right, so test testing testing right there. So we'll just name it testing, okay, because it's just an example and all of that. So click on next. Use cases. So yeah, basically what we're gonna do is that I'll just come down here and then select what specifically you want to use it for. All right, the exact API you want. Okay, you have create and manage ads with marketing API. You have create and manage app ads with ads API manager and all of that. So you also have things like launch and instant gaming, all of that. You also have thread API. You have authenticate. Yeah, basically you have a lot. All right, so we are going to select create and manage app ads with Meta Ads API. Okay, so we're going to select this one right here. Um, oh, click on it. At least for this purpose, then we'll click on next. Okay. Um, so business. Yeah. So it says here which business portfolio do you want to connect to the app? Alright, I think I already have one. By the way, guys, if you don't have one, you can always create a business portfolio, right? It says here create a business portfolio. It is super simple to create, right? I already have one, so I'm just going to click on next. Alright, super simple. So it says here publishing requirements. So these are the steps you need to complete um, to um, get to get and maintain access to users and business data. Okay, so yeah, I'll just click on next. Super simple. So we have all of this, right? It's just an overview of what we've selected so far, and it is amazing. So we'll click on create app, right? So whilst it's loading, we'll move over to the next step. All right, so we'll click on create app, then we'll get our um, app ID and app secrets after creation. So how do we do it? We go over to settings, go to basic, and you will see something like your app. id app secret. So you click show to reveal the app secrets. All right, and all of that. Super simple. So yeah, um, they're asking us to take a tour. You can actually do that, but then I don't think it's necessary. So I'll just exit this. All right. So what are we going to do here? Let's follow our step-by-step guide. So once we're done, we are going to come over to settings and then go to basic. So we'll look for where it says the settings. I believe this should be it, and then basic. All right, and yeah, I am right. So now that we're here, this is your app secret. Obviously I'm not going to show it, but then what you're going to do right now is that you are just going to come here to tools, right? So if you want to generate your access token, okay, so you come over to tools, go to graphic API Explorer. Okay, so you come here, I'll go to graphic API Explorer. It is super simple. You select your app and then generate access token. Click generate access token. Okay, so yeah, that's depending on what you need. Okay, so haven't done all this, right? So basically this is actually a very easy and simple process from here. Okay, so you come here and so here you select your app and then click on generate access token. So yes, we'll select our app right here. All right, so this is your app. This is the app that we created, right? User or page, right? Get token and all of that. So add the permission and all of that. So basically you can just come here and you paste in your access token, or we can generate the access token right here. So I'm not going to do it in I'm not going to do it on camera because you know, I want to leave it private, but you get the point. Click on generate, right? As long as you selected your exact meta app and all of that, and then you just click on generate. It is super simple. All right, so once you're done with that, you choose the permissions, like your page ads and stuff like that. So basically this is it, right? You choose your permission right here and all of that. So it's very simple. Once you're done, you can safely copy and store, right? So now you have your app ID, you have your app secret, and then you have your access token, right? So these are what actually comprise of the this is actually what comprises of the Facebook API key. Okay, so because it's like API access and also meta app combined that makes up the API key, the Facebook API key. So that's basically it. So I believe I've showed you exactly how to create a Facebook API key. All right, so it is super simple. So yeah, do well to like this video if you got any value, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Make videos like this to help you out, so subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Guys, don't forget that this process that we actually just went through right now, we actually were able to do it using this app developers. All right, so or this developers.facebook.com. Right, so don't forget the website that we actually used. It is super important. Right, so I just thought to let you know that this is the website we went to. So go there and just follow the exact step-by-step process. Okay, yeah, do also like this video if you got any value. Also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.